Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. So guys, when you turned on iMessage and it's showing the error like this, iMessage waiting for activation, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, let me tell you that you have to close this page if you want to fix this problem. You have to open settings first, and after that you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn off, because maybe it's network problem, that's why you're facing the error like this. And after that you have to open settings again. Now scroll it down. From here you have to tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Now after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, you have to close this page. Now open settings again. From here you have to tap on date and time. Again from here you have to make sure that your time zone is correct. Now from here guys, you have to go through VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected with VPN. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to settings. Now from here you have to go to iMessage. Let me tell you that you have to turn off the iMessage and just simply turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and turn it on again. And again you have to open iMessage, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings again. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on general and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your device to the latest version. And after that guys, you have to open setting and then you have to tap on general. Now scroll it down. From here you have to tap on transfer reset, tap on, then tap on reset. You have to reset your network setting and force restart your device. And after that, I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.